Have you seen all of those videos about how minimalism will make you
Rich and happy.
They give you a whole array of different advice on how to minimalize your life, right? Well, how is it that when I lived a very, very minimalistic lifestyle, I definitely did not feel rich?
And I for sure wasn't happy.
I think the true message needs to be communicated here. And I think what we see out there in the videos are a little misleading. In my opinion, the value from the message comes down to what minimalism means to you specifically. Quickly, let's define minimalism. Minimalism, in a very simple definition, is just living and having as little as possible, which sounds simple enough, right? But then why even worry about keeping or making more money if we are gonna have less than we have right now and we could have that with what we make, so why worry about making more money? Well, the answer is simpler than you think, but it's confusing and a little misleading. Let's imagine the situation. Imagine there are two individuals. One that makes $60,000 a year and they spend $60,000 a year to live the life that they want. They have a nice house, they have nice clothes, they drive a newer car, all the nice things that a $60,000 a year salary allows you to do, right? On the other hand, we have somebody else that makes the same $60,000 a year, but they live very frugally. They don't have a nice house, they rent. They don't have a newer car, they have an older, reliable car. They don't buy any new clothes. This goes on for 5 years. At the end of the 5 years, who do you think is gonna be better off? That frugal person that didn't enjoy much, but they also didn't spend much, or the other person that made $60,000 a year, but they lived the life that they wanted to live for the last 5 years? Well, here comes where the message is getting lost, at least to me. The goal should not be to lower your standards of living or giving up things that you want just to say that you have a minimalistic lifestyle. It's about finding out what your minimal goal for your lifestyle is, and if you already achieve that at $60,000 a year, then you shouldn't make any compromises. I think your goal should be to increase your income or your wealth without allowing your lifestyle, your ideal lifestyle, to change. Being minimalistic should be focused on allowing you to build wealth and income without falling for the same mistake of never getting to a point or having the choice and freedoms to do all the things. Rich people pretending to be poor and calling that minimalistic is just a big bag of poo-poo. Minimalism for someone that is making $100,000 a year is a completely different story to someone that is only making $60,000 a year. They might have the same lifestyle, but minimalism means different things for them. If you want a minimalistic lifestyle, focus on defining your ideal life first. A minimalistic life that is not aligned with what you really want will not be sustainable, or at the very least will not be enjoyable. Once you know what your ideal lifestyle is, your minimalistic lifestyle, you need to focus on getting more income and don't allow your lifestyle to creep up, right, as you make more money. Invest that added money or income, and sooner or later you will get the true freeing outcome of minimalism, which is freedom of choice. And to answer my own question, why was it that I didn't feel richer or better, happier when I was living my minimalistic life? Well, it was because it was very minimalistic, but not by choice. It was because I was broke, so it was a different story. The real message of a simplistic and minimalistic life should be this, right? Once you reach your lifestyle that you want, don't allow that standard to change just because you make more money. Invest that extra money that you start making after you achieve your ideal minimalistic lifestyle, and soon you will have the freedom of choice and not have to worry about any material things getting in the way of you making those choices. Now, here's something very minimalistic that you can do. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video, and let's grow together.